What is Jarvis? Well, Jarvis is a great tool. It's an artificial intelligence trained to generate original and creative content. So if you're one that cannot come up with anything to say, you know what you want to talk about, but you're not sure what you want to exactly say for the text or maybe the headline or hook in social media, this is a really great tool to look into. Use basically. So basically, they've consulted with the world's best SEO, and so what SEO stands for is Search Engine Optimization and Direct Response Marketing Expert, to teach Jarvis how to write blog articles, email, social media posts like TikTok, Instagram, and so forth, website copy, and more. So I'm going to show you quickly just how it works. I'll provide you the link to sign up in the description, but let's go ahead and get started, how it works. Okay, so when you come into your dashboard, you're going to want to come into choose templates. And these are just different templates that you can use. You just plug in information and then you click a button and then it's going to produce what you want. So the one that I want to choose is called the perfect headline, and that's where it's going to give me like a hook, suggested hooks. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to click on perfect headline. So there's this little box here. I'm just going to click on it. And then when you come in here, it's going to say perfect headline, trained with formulas, world best copywriters. This template is sure to create high converting headlines for your business. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to take how affiliate marketing works. I'm just going to go with the same thing, but then for the product name, you can put a product name if you want to promote a special product, but I'm just going to leave it blank for now. And then for the customer avatar, this is where you would put your audience that you're gearing this towards. So I'm just going to say stay-at-home mom and dads. And then you could change your tone of voice. So if you wanted your headline to have a certain tone of voice, you can do that. You could choose the one that shows up. Otherwise, you could click here, and they have some examples, including, they say witty, friendly, angry, polite, professional. But if you want to, you can click on see more. So all you do is you hover your pointer over the little eye here, the little circle with the eye, and then you just got to get up here, and then you just click to see more. It's going to come up. And then it's going to come up with what should I put for a tone of voice. It's going to, there's going to be a video here that you can watch and see what they say. Otherwise, here's just some adjectives that you can use for the tone of voice. They have different adjectives, or you can put people or character names in there as well. Oh, I like Tony Stark. So I'm going to go ahead and type in. I'm just going to go here. I'm going to select this, and I'm going to go do a Control-C. Or Command-C if you have a Mac. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click out of there, and I'm going to type it in here, or I'm just going to paste it in. So once you get that done, you're going to just come down here and you can change your outputs. I'm just going to do 2 for now. And then you click on Generate AI Content, which is AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. So it's going to come up over here. It's going to give you a bunch of different headlines that you can use. Okay, so it's coming up. So here, how to make money while you sleep. The next big thing in affiliate marketing revealed. It's got a bunch of different ones, and what you want to do is go ahead and look at the best one you think. I'm going to go ahead and say how I earn more money today with this proven affiliate marketing strategy. Work from home, enjoy a lazy Sunday afternoon with your family. The number one way to make money online that no one is talking about. I'm going to go ahead and pick this one. So I'm just going to click in there, and then I'm going to go here and just select this. You can copy all of them, but I want to just do it for one. So I'm going to go ahead and do Control-C, or you could also do a right click and choose copy. Okay, so then I'm going to go ahead and go back to my dashboard, And then I'm going to go back to the templates again. And then I'm going to go down here and I want to find, let's see, it's usually on the bottom. It's called AIDA framework, which means attention, interest, desire, action. And then the PAS is another one that you can use as well. But I'm going to go ahead and use the AIDA framework, which is, according to them, the oldest framework in the world. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to blank this out because it's not required. If there is a little asterisk next to any of the fields here, that means it's required. So this one is not required because it doesn't have the asterisk. So I'm going to go ahead and clear this out, and then I'm going to paste in the headline that I chose, which is the #1 way to make money online that no one is talking about. And again, you can add a tone of voice here as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do Tony Stark again, or you can choose anything that you want. And then all you have to do is you click on Generate AI Content, and it's going to bring it up over here on the right. And again, you can choose the number of outputs that you want. So it'll give you a bunch of different things that you can say in your social media posts. And I'm just coming up with 2. So here is the first one. Are you looking for a new way to make money online? And it gives you, it has a different topics like attention, interest, desire, and then the action. So you could, can say everything that's here, like, have you ever thought about making money online but just didn't know where to start? You're not alone. Most people don't even know how they can even make money online, let alone the best ways there are. But it doesn't have to be that hard. So these are just some, different tips, and then you can come down here, and maybe you don't want to say everything up there. You just can pick out what you want to say, and then the desire, and then when you're, when you are done with your video or your content or whatever you're posting on Facebook, TikTok, whatever, you can say this is your call to action. You can just say at the end, click here now for instant access to our free training course on how anyone can make $1. $1. Maybe it has to be $1,000. Okay, $1,000. So, and then there's another one. Here is another one another thing that you can say, another way of saying it. So that is how Jarvis works, and you can use this text here to create your videos, your posts, whatever you want to do. So, and like I said, if you're interested in signing up for this program, I have provided the link down in the description. So if you have any questions about how this works, or you have any further questions about Jarvis or anything else related to affiliate marketing, feel free to comment below.